Pause. Let's get up this cause for something that's got a lot of stars. Celebrity, celebrity, pretty Brit, Great Britain. Give me the Queen, the Embassy, Canadian. What do you mean? She saw seashells, sells all the fish she can shell up, but she can't acquire taste. I'm acquired boy, acquired taste, born and raised, to be seen, not heard, to be or not to say I do. I'm here to kill for you. I'm guarding God, so that should say a lot in who I am. Shazam, Zeus, Yahweh, fuck Allah, Islam. Are my eyes gray or green? Can we agree on one thing? She needs love. She wants my eyesight. So don't side up with what side you need to go on. No one sees who I is not British, but I got Great Britain blood, Secret Service, love. With a B, love, nub, snub, or glove, but none that's wrapped around my ox without the C, 'cause I like the F, fox, when it comes to this mate thing. You make and I make, next life we fucking make it a lie. Detector look like it's dishonest. We make an inspector look like Sherlock Holmes, but we don't make this public notary a publicity, privacy, pirate my music and your piracy, but no pirating or you get federal locked up, like Akon said. Nah, nah, nah. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Look at me, spit that shy situation, sit and serve a song. Listen to the orchestra or the symphony. You so sick, you got Sid Vicious, and you so into me. You got drugs in my pockets and I don't know what to do with them. Peace out, bitches. But that's just the first 8 seconds. That's just me getting some fade out for a satin, silk and smooth. Something filthy, fucking bruised. But Hebrew tongue, I said, sweet things are yet to come. My mother of mums, my trees of bloom, my flowers with power, higher emphasize white power on the powder mogo. You go, peace.